some advanced concepts in JavaScript. In the last video we covered scope, and as you can see here, all the code on the right, that was us just going through how scope works in JavaScript. So now in this one, we're going to be going through control flow and doing some coding on that. So advanced control flow. So this is the Udemy course, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy the code down from this and we're going to go along as I explain it. Very nice. So we're using some ternary operators and logging them on the console. Alright, so we can do ternary operators. This is how ternary operators work. You have a condition asking is this true, and then expression 1. If it is true, do expression 1, else do expression 2. Expression 2. Okay, so we'll explain that now. So we can have a function is user valid, and we'll have a boolean that can be true or false. Return bool, and then we can have a var answer equal to is user valid, is it true? If it's true, say you may enter, and we'll go on to the next line, and else if it's false we'll do access denied. Very good. So now we can do another function, condition. If an if statement is user valid true. So this is the same as a ternary operator, but as you can see up here, the ternary operator is a lot more concise and short, so it's just cleaner. So return you may enter. Is user valid, you return you may enter. Remove that, we need to move that bracket up there, that's why we're getting the red curly line. So else run return access denied. Alright, so now we're going to do var answer 2 is equal to condition, we're calling condition. It's the same thing. So now let's have a look. I'll enter this on the console. We'll just clear the console first. Clear. Alright, we'll just reload. Okay, so now we have undefined. So if you go to answer, you can see we get you may enter, because we entered is user valid, we gave it true. So it evaluates true, you may enter. Now if we call condition, it gives us you may enter. Because condition if is user valid true, we gave it true, so it returns you may enter, else return false. So these are the same thing. It's just the one at the top, which is a ternary operator, is much shorter. So now let's move on. So we have move command and we have switch statements. Alright, so let's have a look at switch statements. Alright, so we have a function, move command, direction, which will give us where variable of what happens, this, and then we'll have a switch, direction, and we'll have a code block now that says case. So if forward is the input, then we'll do what happens and set the value of what happens equal to you see a monster, and then we'll break, so to exit out of the code, and then we'll do another case of case if the user goes back, we'll do what happens equal to you go home, and then we'll do break. If you didn't break, the function just keep going forever. So then we'll set a default value of default what happens equal to enter and direction. And then we can, after the code block, we can return what happens. Alright, very Very nice. So now we can go ahead and enter that. New tab, Control V, move command. So if we call move command and enter an input here of forward, close it, you see a monster, you see? So we can do this for all different conditions. It's very handy if you want to have a lot of conditions. So now if we do move command and we don't have an input, it will give us enter a direction. Very nice. So that's switch statements and ternary operators in JavaScript, some advanced conditional. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment below any projects you're working on or things you'd like to make with the JavaScript language, and I'll see you in the next one.